Hi everyone, it's Nubian's son, Ra, back with another video. And on the behalf of the month of March, even though it's a holiday that is listed as pagan because it's a calendar holiday, is what I would call it. It is still energy there to be utilized. And you know how I always talk about alchemy. So this is something like an alchemy session and my perspective on it. St. Patrick's Day, is in March. And so this month I've been hearing a lot about, St. Patrick's Day and rainbows and gold coins and the color green, like the leprechauns. So it brings me back to spirituality in a way where the heart chakra is the color green, or trees. I think about, the energies of the trees when it's connected in my mind because it's like, green and the rainbow pot of gold, that's nature and energy. The currency of the earth, if it either in minerals or, energy. So for me, if I'm gonna get spiritual with it, it's like, okay, well, the trees absorb negative energy, and we are forms of energy, and we absorb energies just like the trees, and we get to use those energies how we please, so to do alchemy and absorb negative energy and then to be able to transmute it is working close with nature's kind. And I know there's a saying that says observe and not absorb. And that is also a valid point. But I feel like it's like a dualistic type of situation, because at your natural state, it is alchemy, you transmuting energy, just like the beings of the earth. But then when you are doing something that is a little different, which I would call discernment, when you are a different consciousness of being on this planet, you observe and not absorb in that way. It's like two different techniques, two different states of consciousness, two different practices, two different levels, because the earth is living, we are living, so we are all connected. God works through all things. And so when we observe instead of absorb, those are more advanced ways of consciousness, of thinking, and nature is at its simpler form, the simplest form. And whenever we revert back to religion, there is always a saying that says that we are the image of our Creator, and that can be taken in different perspectives, but it could also fit in this perspective that I'm speaking on. And then there's other scriptures that support that it's a living God in all creations. And it goes on to speak about how we're all balanced in a way where, you know, we advance basically as higher level humans, or beings on the planet, the top of the food chain, however you want to put it. It says something like that along those lines and religions in the Bible. So I say all that to say, like, we have to look at the deeper meanings of things on a spiritual and physical level, and how to, like, correspond them, because it's all one and the same. It's just being able to decipher and recognize the differences. I just hope that I gave somebody something to explore through ideas and some inspiration. I hope you all are drinking your water, earthing, saying your affirmations, keeping yourself balanced, grounding yourself, and loving yourself. Peace and love.